How's it going, rednecks? I'm here at Roush World Off-Road Park because I'm here to put some signage on the Turdle from when it made its big jump. And look what's still here. That's right, the topper is still sitting in the same spot we were at. Not only that, but Tyler and them, this is a Hooptie Cross weekend, both got to sleep in this thing, so it's kind of comical. It's stood the test of time. It lasted the full winter just sitting here. As well as we're going to go out there, take a look at the Turdle, and get that sign mounted. So let's head out on the trails and see what kind of shape she's in. Well, there we go, rednecks. This is the Turdle's final resting place for right now. I have the signs put on so everybody can kind of scan it in and see what this thing's done. I gave the owner an aluminum exact copy of that, so when he puts this thing up on an I-beam, he'll be able to mount that. But tell you what, it hurts to see this thing, and I definitely miss this truck. It was very versatile, a lot of good memories, so yeah, this is a hard sight to see. Well, rednecks, that's Tyler's, or the Peon Dreams car that he built for the Hooptie Cross. I don't know how much of the event I'm going to get, but I did get his race. He ended up getting stuck. I'll show that right now. And then there's prom night right there.
Yesterday, when I first started racing, it was beautiful. But that yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, there goes Santa.
Oh, that guy.
Oh.
There goes Santa.
Somebody want to hold this for me?
Yeah, that doesn't get bad for four-wheel drive. That's a little hairy. Yeah! Up a little early.
Hey.
A good vehicle for this is definitely.
So I don't know how much footage I'm going to get. Obviously, as you can see, it's raining out. I don't have my GoPro or anything, so.
I have that. This part looks really good. Like from here, it looks like this part just rip out of here. Yeah. I guess I say that though, and I own 3 grandma cars, so.
I'm gonna guess exhaust.
What?
I'm going to guess exhaust.
That's my guess.
Yeah, from how loud it is. Uh-oh, get it.
You failed.
I didn't think he was gonna make it. Dang, just barely.
Woo!
That's Chris Kemmer.
Just push him over.
Hey, tell him not to get quick.
How do you flip a Taurus?
Why you still have the green flag?
Yeah, I think I'm mostly here just to hang out and have a good time. So unfortunately, this is probably going to be the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work.